Highlight Industries is pleased to introduce the Film Thickness Calculation Kit. The most accurate and precise system for portable measurement of stretch film thickness, measuring a surface over 1,000 times larger than a typical hand micrometer. The kit follows ASTM E252 procedures for measuring thickness. Roll out the film across the cutting surface and place the template over top. Cut the film using the rotary cutter. Remove the film from the template and roll into a tight ball. Weigh the film in grams. The results in the decimals place are equal to the film thickness in gauge. 0.61 grams equals 61 gauge. Quick and accurate, the film thickness kit can be used anywhere for reliable stretch film thickness measurement. Contact Highlight Industries for more information and pricing today.